So as the nation gears up for result day tomorrow, Times Now gets you the national picture. It's an all-out fight for the two states of Jammu and Kashmir and Jharkhand. But will there be a saffron sweep with BJP's winnability at stake? So stay tuned to Times Now for the most comprehensive election coverage.
A historic win in the Lok Sabha elections, followed by a clean sweep in Haryana and Maharashtra. And the BJP hoping to continue its winning streak by conquering two states of Jammu and Kashmir and Jharkhand.
मैं जम्मू कश्मीर वासियों से कहना चाहता हूं, एक बार फैसला कर लीजिए। 50 साल से आपको पछतावा हो रहा है, अब कभी पछतावे की नौबत नहीं आएगी, ये विश्वास दिलाने में आया हूं।
With an extensive campaign to fulfill its Mission 44, BJP promising to adopt Vajpayee's Kashmir policy, even toning down on its much-harped on stand on Article 370.
I wish there was one statement coming from the BJP on 370. There are multiple statements depending upon where they're standing. And therefore in Jammu, one hears a different point of view, in Kashmir, one hears another.
In Jharkhand too, BJP hoping to revive its fortunes.
अगर झारखंड ने इतना भारी बहुमत न दिया होता तो दिल्ली में स्थिर सरकार नहीं बन पाती।
Decimated in the Lok Sabha polls, Congress faces a tough challenge as it has decided to go solo in Jammu and Kashmir and also broken ties with Jharkhand Mukti Morcha.
There are a number of states and regional governments who have looted. In comparison to that, if you talk about Jammu Kashmir, I think we are the best.
This fight for the two states proving to be very crucial not just for the national parties but also for the regional ones who are fighting for survival.
इसी तरह जम्मू कश्मीर के हालात में ऐसे बन रहे हैं कि जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग मुफ्ती मोहम्मद सईद साहब के हाथ मजबूत करना चाहते हैं.
Amit Shah's winnability put to test in the most important state of Jammu and Kashmir. Can the party manage a saffron sweep in the valley and change the national picture? Bureau Report, Times Now.